Alright everyone, welcome back, or welcome to the first cooking episode with me. Now today we're going to be trying to do a Dragon Ball inspired cake. It's going to be a 2-layer vanilla cake with the layers being different colors, or at least I'm going to try. Now the whole goal is to make the outside look like a Dragon Ball, but I want to make the inside colors based on Dragon Ball Super Broly. So I want to make one of the layers blue for Gogeta, and I want to make the other layer green for Broly. So look, I'm a professional, so I mean that's why I don't even have an apron. The sweater, the hoodie, this is my apron. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start making from scratch, and then we're just gonna mix it all together, and we're gonna bake it, and then we're gonna see how it turns out. Now, as I said, I am a pro, so I'm not gonna need any list. 2 sticks unsalted butter, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, here's the ingredients that I obviously knew from memory. We got the sugar, you got the baking powder, you got the frosting, you got the measuring cups, you got the whisks, you got the sugar, you got the parchment paper, food coloring, salt, milk is in the fridge, and we got 2 9-inch pans, 9 inches like my... Okay, now that we got everything and I explained everything to you, let's just try and get these things set up. I already opened the sugar, I got the baking powder here, oh, there it goes. And then we're gonna just try and open the... Hold on. Okay, got the flour open, everything is unsealed, at least I think for the most part. We got the salt, got the food coloring here ready, got the pans all de-paper-fied. So now we're just gonna grab these. So we're gonna follow, it's 2 sticks of, oh fuck, I forgot the butter. Oh, God. Got the butter, now we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna try and do this with one hand. Okay, yeah, no, hold on guys. So I'm not sure if things need to be made in a specific order. It's 1 stick. I should probably put on gloves, but I mean it's gonna be trash anyway. No one's gonna read it, so. Okay, we got the butter in there. Now we're gonna get the 3 cups of all flour. So we're gonna get a little measuring thing here, and we're just gonna 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's the 3 cups of flour. Next is gonna be the salt. We could just eyeball it, right? That seems like a tablespoon. Half a teaspoon of salt. There you go. 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Here's the 1/4 cup. Okay, I think we're almost done in terms of just prepping it, and then we can start mixing it. It'll be some extra, what the? If some shells got in there, then it'll just give the cake some extra crunchy flavor. You know, it could really truly feel like Shenron, you know, with the scales and all that. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And the vanilla extract, it's Dominican style. I don't know what that means. I'm Puerto Rican, but I'm sure it's gonna taste good regardless. And last but not least, I believe, is milk. 1 1/4 cups of milk. Okay, I dumped the milk in there, and now all that's left is to start whisking it and mixing the whole thing. So I'm gonna start it off, and I'll probably cut to when it looks better, so. Do you think the batter feels anything when you're beating it like this? Okay, I've been at this for a little bit, just whisking this thing. It seems to have a pretty good consistency, I think. Yeah. So what I think I'm gonna do now is just pour half of it and put the food coloring in, and then put the other half with the other food coloring. While I do that, actually, let me set this to preheat. I can press the button, there you go. Boom. So I'll just cut back to when we're all set. So had a problem here. I didn't have enough batter to put the make it all blue. So look, we're gonna consider it like Goku and Broly had a fusion, or Gogeta had a fusion with Broly, and then alright, look, I just oh, it's ready. Look, I just fucked up. Okay, yeah. So I just had to spill some green on the blue. It's okay. It's okay. Let's just pop these shits. So it turns out I whisked the cake batter by hand, and you know, usually when you're whisking stuff or mixing batter, it would be easier if you had like a KitchenAid or something like that. And look, I'm doing this for entertainment value, okay? Like, how was I supposed to know that my mom went and bought a KitchenAid and I didn't even know about it? So it was sitting right here in the corner, and you know, whatever. We gotta mix the frosting. We're gonna make it orange. Maybe take a sip of this, but we're gonna mix it orange and make the frosting orange by hand. We won't need no KitchenAid. Man, this is actually really easy to use. Don't judge me. After using a KitchenAid, I just can't anymore. There's no way I can go back to the uncultured times. It has to go. Alright, low-key smells like it's done, so we're just gonna check in on it. I don't have a toothpick, so we're just gonna use like the straw thing. So how you test it is you just poke it, and if it comes out clean like it just did, then it's done. So pop these bad boys out. Okay, with protection this time, pop these bad boys out. Oh, burn my hands, God. Looks like Shrek took a shit all over my baking pans. Okay, I popped them out. Looks like the bottom one got a little bit overcooked, but it's still soft, smells good. We're just gonna leave it there, and then I'm just gonna come back after it cools down a bit and frost it up, and then we'll be done. Okay, we are back with this mess, and now we're just gonna add some frosting to the middle. I'm gonna try and do this with one hand. So now we're gonna put this back in here. I'm gonna grab this cake right here, put it on top. It's low-key coming apart. I really hope it stays in one piece. So now we're gonna grab the other frosting, and then I'll come back to when it's all completely frosted. Ta-da! Well, look, we may need Shenron. Oh, I should probably leave it alone. We may need Shenron to help resurrect this thing, but we're almost done, and I think it came out pretty good for, you know, quote unquote, an amateur trying it. All we got left is to do the, which we have over here. I want to paint on, or food color on the stars with this red, because it's usually like a darker orange, but since it's already orange slash whatever color it is, we're just gonna like paint it on. So you know what, at the end of the day, look at that 4-star Dragon Ball. Maybe my shadows, you know, let me get it in a better light. See, if you squint a little bit, it's not too bad looking. Boy! You know what? It just be like that sometimes, okay? I think it came out decent. I mean, I tried my best. This is supposed to be a kind of a special kind of thing, but so this is my how-to on how to make a Dragon Ball cake. Now we're gonna like cut a slice and see how it looks. Yep, looks absolutely fantastic. Well guys, I mean, I think there's a piece of strand of hair on the lens, but I tried my best. I wanted to do something fun for you guys, and it it was kind of like a special. The fact that like we've grown so much in like 2 months for like from 10 subscribers to 73 at the moment. So this is kind of like a 73, 70 sub special, whatever. It's just a special, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm gonna have to clean up a lot of shit, but let me know. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe down below. Let me know if you guys want to see me more of me messing up in the kitchen, and or just other stuff, because I like doing different things. So I mean, it's kind of fun for me. Make sure you guys follow me on my social medias, on my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. It's all going to be down in the description below, and I hope you all guys have a great day. Bye, guys.